Welcome back to yet another episode, taking you out for another run. Just what my Garmin watch tells me to do again. 40 minutes, 5:55. Always running a bit quicker than that, but you know, it's nice outside. It's now already, what, 10 AM? It's already hot. I couldn't be asked to do it any earlier. Therefore, we're out running now. Still super nice. It's a little bit windy, so it just takes the edge off. Here you go. Hope you guys enjoy this little episode. Just out here in the farmlands. "20 minutes in, super relaxing. I'm not gonna lie, my running fitness is pretty good. Can't complain. I definitely feel it's getting better and better in comparison to the first couple of runs that I did in general. Super nice now. I mean, leisurely pace, 5:50 pace, kilometers. 22 minutes, 3.85 kilometers. Nothing special, you know, just working that baseline effort. Yeah, over there's military zone, not allowed to film that way. That's what I'm filming, that way. Welcome back everybody, another day, another run, doing exactly what my Garmin watch tells me to do. 17 minutes at 4:45 pace kilometers. Warm up and cool down. Currently in the warm up stage, got another 4.5 minutes. Should be nice, not too hot anymore. It's actually quite cold. Just ate a bug. Yeah, anyways, hope you guys enjoy. I'm gonna enjoy this little run, a little bit quicker than usual. Should be fun. Now 17 minutes, 4 minutes 45, thereabouts. Got 13.5 minutes to go. Should be fine. But it's definitely less chill, you know, understandably so. But yeah, it's fun. Definitely covering more ground than usual in the time frame for obvious reasons. I'm running quicker. My brain's not working really, but it's what it is. Alright, that was it for 17-minute quicker running. Now just 10-minute cool down. Check it from you after the cool down, I guess. It's super nice though. I'm so happy that it's not that warm anymore. It's just so much better. To sum it up, it was 7.34 kilometers, pace 5:03 on average. You know, warm up, cool down, and then the quick part in the middle. 37 minutes and 4 seconds. Hope you guys are doing well. Go outside, do some sports, and I'll see you guys around again. Peace.